Make a great choice today with the 2016 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.